Hello, I am Jun Kit, representative from Sunway University Malaysia. Why join Sunway University Malaysia? There are 6 reasons. We are the top 2% university in the world, top 1.5% university in Asia, number 1 private university in ASEAN, top 150 university in the world under 50, Malaysia's number 1 non-government linked private university, partnership with world-class institutions from United Kingdom, Australia and France with a wide range of scholarships available. The Eduko Education Expo is happening on 3rd February 2024 at Westin Dhaka from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come join me at this expo as together we will chart your higher education pathway at Sunway University Malaysia. See you there.